So let's solve question number 191 until now 195. So question 191 is from reproductive health. Okay. So we need to select. So ICSI, which stand for intracytoplasmic sperm injection. Okay, so we inject the sperm directly into the ovum. Then intrauterine insemination, the semens are directly inseminated, right, inside the vagina or crossing it into the uterus. Then intrauterine transfer. Okay, so intrauterine transfer is done if the zygote or embryo is more than 8 blastomere. Then comes gift. Okay, it's gamete intrafallopian transfer. So gamete are transferred inside the fallopian tube, both the male and the female. Then zygote intrafallopian transfer. If the zygote or the embryo is less than 8, we transfer into the fallopian tube. Okay, so based on that, let's compare. It is A3, B1, C5, D2, and E4. So comparing that, okay, we find that it matches with which option it matches? It matches with D, isn't it? So your option will be, answer will be D. Then the next one is, okay, it's a circulation. Okay, so let me explain it. So we have a 4-chambered heart. For our easy understanding, I make it as a boxes. So it's a right atrium, it's a left atrium, it's a right ventricle, it's a left ventricle. Then the inflow, right atrium receives blood from the vena cava, both superior and inferior. Blood from the right atrium goes to the right ventricle. From the right ventricle, it goes to the lungs through pulmonary artery. From lungs, it comes back to the left atrium through pulmonary vein. From left atrium, it goes to left ventricle. Okay. And from there, it enters the systemic circulation tissues. And from here, it comes back. Okay, so that's the story. Okay, so based on that, let's compare. Right atrium, it receives from the vena cava, as I showed you. Right ventricle receives from the right atrium. Left atrium receives from pulmonary vein. Left ventricle receives from left atrium. So based on that, if we compare, so which one? A for 2, B for 3, C for 4, and D for 1. Okay. So A for 2, B for 3, C for 1, D for 1. Okay. So it is option, first option, right? So answer is A. The next question. Question number 193. Here also we need to match. It's from reproductive health. So the pills, okay, pills prevent ovulation. We know that. Okay, condom, it prevents sperm in reaching the cervix. In vasectomy, the semen do not contain any sperm. Then copper T, it prevents implantation. Okay, so based on that, A3, B1, C4, and D2. So A3, B1, C4, and D2. So option is A. And let's see next question. During the allergic reaction, in response to allergen, the X cell produces IgE. The X cells are IgE is an immunoglobulin. Immunoglobulins are produced by B cells. Okay, so here's a direct question. So his answer is D, B cells or B lymphocytes. The next question is, which of the following is found in lymph nodes? They're talking about lymph nodes. Okay, of a person battling a cold virus. So huge number of white blood cells, you can find them. True. Trapped viruses that have been roaming in the body. True. Lymph duct that allows entry and exit of lymph fluid. True. Okay, and then all of the above is true. Okay, so here your option will be D. So this much for this section of question. We'll see you again in next sets of questions. Okay.